Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends, YouTube and OBS. Sign into YouTube, enable live streaming, then open OBS and navigate to settings right arrow stream. Make sure service is set to YouTube or YouTube Gaming. This directs OBS where to send data. Now locate your stream key in YouTube Studio under Go Live right arrow stream, copy it. You do this because the key authorizes OBS to broadcast to your channel, which means never share it. Treat it like a password. Once you have the stream key, paste it into OBS settings right arrow stream. If OBS lets you pick a server, choose the one closest to your region for lower latency. Next, go to output settings. Choose an encoder, set bitrate for 1080p, try around 4500 kbps, and confirm your recording path. Then adjust video and audio. Pick your base and output resolution, set FPS, and tune audio bitrate so voice is clear. Also verify your scenes and sources are active. They determine what viewers see. To go live, click Start Streaming in OBS and then check YouTube Studio for the incoming preview. It may take a few seconds. If you see no video or errors, double-check the stream key, confirm your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking OBS, and look at OBS's log or stats for encoder warnings. Also run a quick speed test to ensure upload meets bitrate. If problems persist, use a private test stream at a lower bitrate to isolate whether it's encoder settings, network issues, or YouTube side limitations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.